Hey everyone, it's Amy Leone, your independent consultant with 31 Gifts, and I am here to show you something really exciting. This is our coveted pink box. So this box is what you receive when you join 31. Inside of here is the enrollment kit. So I'm excited to tear this open and take a look at it with you. So let's get it going. So our enrollment kit is $99 plus tax and shipping, and you get over $300 worth of product. So that's a pretty sweet deal. And everything fits inside of our #1 best-selling product, which is our large utility tote, and that's this guy right here. It's got great straps, so you can hold everything in your kit right in this and head off to a party. How easy is that? So it comes with this top tote. The straps fit right inside of it. I love the top tote because it's perfect if you're out and about when the weather isn't so great. If it's snowing or if it's raining, that will protect whatever you have inside of there. Let me fix this. I look like I'm a little bit crooked, huh? Maybe? Okay. And then, so this is our #1 selling product. Our second best selling product is the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. And this is shown here in the Bloomin' Bouquet. The Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote is great to use for a gym bag or an overnight bag, or what a lot of people use it for also is a diaper bag, because it's got so many pockets. So you have 3 in the front, 2 on the back, and then 2 elastic mesh pockets on either side. So you've got 7 pockets, and it zips closed. So that's pretty great. This is in the Blooming Bouquet, and the large utility tote is our new patio pop pattern. Okay, so what I like to use the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote for is my mobile office. And this next product will show you how it goes together perfectly. So this is our fold-and file. Got a nice hard bottom, supported sides, couple mesh pockets, and this is in our new pattern called Sparkling Squares. I love this because I'm a big fan of turquoise, and this is kind of a really nice, a little bit muted turquoise with some navy. So this fits perfectly inside the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. So if you own your own business, if you're in real estate, or if you're in direct sales, or if you're joining 31 today, then this is going to make your life super easy, because you can put everything you need right inside this Zip Top Organizing Tote with the fold-and file, and you have a mobile office on the go, ready at a moment's notice. This next item is called our Lunch Break Thermal. This is actually my personal favorite for small personal size thermals. It has a pretty decent sized bottom, so if you pack your lunches, this is great for you know, your Pyrex and your Tupperware. It's got a decent width to it. And this one is personalized with the word refuel. So as you know, the majority of our items can be personalized with either a saying, a monogram, or an icon of some sort. The other thing that I like about this that's kind of fun is if you don't have a ton going on in it, you can just push the insides in, and then you have this super adorable, cute, little compact lunch break thermal. It's so cute. I love it. So we'll put that over there. A couple years back, we came out with our canvas pillow line, and this is a new design called Full Hearts. And this is in charcoal and true turquoise. I'm going to come just a little closer so you can see what we've got going on here. It's probably backwards, but it says, "Our sisterhood, celebrate, encourage, and reward." That's our motto, CER. We like to celebrate, encourage, and reward for just about everything. We like to celebrate. And then we have our cinch sack, which is one of our tried and true products. But what's different about this cinch sack is it has a new icon, and it's in a new color thread. So this is called Bright Yellow, and that's our new dandelion icon. The thing about our enrollment kit is they take pretty much our best products, and they put them in there. So when you join 31, you're set for success right off the bat. Our cinch sack is one of our tried and true that we've had for quite some time now. And this is our double duty caddy. This baby has so many uses to it. This is in Bloomin' Bouquet again. One of the things that I use it for is to hold all my hair accessories. I rarely do my hair. Today I blow dried it, that's about it. But I could put my, or I do put my hair dryer, my flat iron, my curling iron, brushes, and then like mousse gel, whatever, styling products in there. I also have one for cleaning products. So when I go around the house, I have my cleaning towels and my bottles of cleaner and everything I need right in here instead of something big and bulky. So that makes it really nice. Double duty caddy. And then I have the mini zipper pouch. And this one is with the Gives icon, the heart, and it says My Why. Mini zipper pouch is great for so many things. I have several of them. They're great to hold if you use essential oils, organize your purse, keep your girly things in there, maybe snacks for the kids. So that's a really great item as well. And that's only $12. So the stuff in your kit also has a variety of good kind of price range. This next item comes from one of my favorite lines, the Retro Metro line. And this is a new style and a new pattern. So this is called the Retro Metro Hobo Crossbody. And it's in a new pattern called the Woven Stripe. So you can crossbody this. It's a nice big bag. If you like a big bag, this is where it's at. It just has a button closure, no zip, but a button closure. But there is a zip pocket inside and a couple of those card slot pockets. I'm gonna come closer to show you this really cool pattern. This is a great casual look bag. This would go great with jeans. And it's the kind of bag I can see myself using if I'm going out for the day, like to the park or to the zoo or somewhere like that. Okay, we've got 2 items left in here. The next one is my ultimate favorite wallet ever, and this is the All About the Benjamins wallet. This color happens to be called Skies for You in the pebble texture. And this has some polka dots on the inside. Really cute patterns. All of the Benjamins and the Jewel line have these really cute patterns on the inside with the polka dots. So you see all the card slots here, plus right here for your ID. And then back here you have more card slots. You've got 1, 2, 3, 6 more back here, plus a slot here, another one here, and your coin area here. Oops, sorry, I went off for camera for a little bit there. And then this also kind of moves back too, so you could slide some stuff back there if you want to, like a checkbook. This will fit most phones. I've even put my phone and a little lip gloss in here, so you can take this and you can attach a wristlet to it, and this could be like your clutch for the night. You don't need anything else. Or if you are somebody who carries a big bag and you just want to run into the store, you just grab your Benjamins that has everything that you need in it, and you're good to go. So again, it's $99 to join 31. There's 2 enrollment kits. This is our brighter patterned kit. I call it our bubblegum print patterns, and the other one is more of a black and white. And both of them are $99 plus tax and shipping. And our spring-summer catalog just started last month in February, and we're gearing up here in April to come out with some new summer products that will be added to the catalog, and I've gotten a sneak peek of those, and you guys are going to love it. So I was excited to be able to share these items with you, so you can see exactly what you get, what gets dropped off at your door when you join 31. They are our top products, and they're valued at about somewhere a little above $350. So you're definitely getting a bargain for $99. See that? And they do come with these personalizations on them, so that's kind of nice. So I hope that you guys enjoyed taking a look at this. Be sure to check out my website. It is www.inthebagboutique.com, and check out my Facebook page as well and become one of our VIPs. It's www.inthebagfb.com, like in the bag Facebook fb.com. And I'll put that information down in the comments. And again, thank you for coming in and saying hi today, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.